government officials. So imagine an artificial human with no soul gets voted to the top rank position. And I mean, the seriousness of that situation is really bad. So some religious groups believe of the what do you call this, the Antichrist. But you have to realize that that is not just one person. When you say Christ, it's not one person. It's actually an entire consciousness. Okay. So anything anti would be someone without that kind of higher consciousness. But the thing is that we're not looking at one person, we're looking at an entire set of group of created artificial humans that are mingled in our society. You can't tell who's who, but by just looking at their physical appearance, they can look very pretty or handsome or very beautiful. From what I gathered, they would look attractive because they were artificially created based on the beauty standards that we have in this planet. And they would look attractive, but they would lack depth because they don't have any soul. They would lack any type of creative inclination. So they can only try to copy an original human being. Whether they can copy, like whether a divine being or a demonic being, they can copy because they're not original, they don't have a soul. So now this leads you to think, so if this artificial human doesn't have a soul, then what about the demonic beings, the demonic humans? Which means these demonic human beings have souls. It's just that they're in a negative polarity. So they can be transmuted